So now it's off. Let's put it on the first speed. It's okay. And now on this setting, the temperature is quite cold. So let's put it to optimal. Okay, I would say that this is perfect. This setting for temperature is quite good. It's perfect. And if I put it to hot, wow, this is really hot. And now if I press the cool button, so as you can see, the cool button automatically puts the hairdryer in the maximum speed and it blows cool air. And now if I'm releasing it, it goes back to the speed number 1. And now the maximum speed. Wow, wow, this is a very powerful hairdryer. Okay. Yeah. So definitely it's a powerful hairdryer. Yeah. It looks premium. The plastic is nice. I like it. It's not glossy, so you're not going to see the fingerprints. Here the buttons are a little bit glossy, but the rest of the hairdryer is quite nice. It's powerful, very powerful. At least in the maximum speed, wow, it's amazing. But it's very heavy, and as I told you, it's a little bit unbalanced, so you need to hold it with your hands very hard. But apart from this, I think it will perform very well.